Okay, dryer switch door thing, take two. This is a dryer, it's a Whirlpool. Sometimes, most of the time, it cuts off the drying part of the dryer because the switch in the door is broken. So I will demonstrate brokenness of switch. Okay, there's the switch. See what it's doing there? Yeah, it's a bit flaccid. Okay, so I got on Amazon, found the right switch. Here it is. See? See it fix. It's a clicky boy. Pretty simple process to fix. There's two screws. Boop, boop. Underneath the vent trap there. Oh, I don't want those to fall down. Two screws. There's also two screws for the actual switch. So we'll get those in a second. The next thing we need, I'm not even prepared for this. I need like a putty knife to wedge in there and pop loose. Can you see what I'm talking about? Yeah. Boop. It goes right under there so that I can, whatever. I'm going to pause. Putty knife. The video said to shove it in here, so I don't really know what I'm looking for. I should have paid more attention to those parts of the videos, huh? Probably should have looked one up fresh so it was fresh in my mind. Otherwise, I might end up breaking something. You know what I mean? Sure you do. We've all got brains here. Fine, I'll go watch another video because it's been a day or so. Okay, I watched the video. Yeah, I'm doing it right. This is going to be used as a handhold, meaning, we'll see, I guess. See that? It pops right up. I'm just going to slip this in here so it doesn't close again. Same thing the other side. I'm pulling on the back like the guy in the video. This is why I'm going to put that pry bar over there. And it definitely goes in. Now he had an actual putty knife, and I've got this multi-tool. Multi-tools kind of suck. I didn't need all this. I just needed a putty knife, you know? But oh well. You can see mine's been through some shit. Probably, literally. There. Ow. Okay. Now we've got access to the... It's like popping the hood of a car. Okay? Sounds scary? Isn't scary. Let's take a look at these screws real quick. Let's take a look at a few things actually. So, the clip holding my camera blocks the center of my screen, but whatever. So you can see here the putty knife was just depressing this. Not much going on there. Alright, here's the switch we're going to replace. And here, look, you can see the hinge here. So if I needed to, I could disconnect this wiring and remove the whole top section. Okay? Look at this. Oh. Well, I guess I need to get a vacuum cleaner. Oh, look at this. Look, it's got a hole cut into it. Wait, y'all can see it. Yeah. It has a hole. It has a hole cut into it. Why does it have a hole cut into it? It seems like that's a bad thing. So I'm going to replace this switch. The switch cost me $10, by the way, on Amazon. I don't know if I mentioned that. And whatever, I'm going to get a new dryer. Not top priority, but definitely soonish. So now I'm going to unscrew the 2 screws for switch, the current switch. That's the right way. Wait, yeah. Yeah, I'm too lazy to go upstairs and get my screwdriver, so I'm using my drill. There it is. 2 screws. I'm tired. I made a time-lapse video of me cleaning my room and rearranging it. That was like, I finished that like half an hour ago, and then I saw this came in the mail, so here we go. Poor little switch. He's an old man. Poor little guy. Can't get it up. Oh man. The video said you only need a screwdriver and a putty knife. But I'll be darned if this isn't hard to get off. I don't want to break it. I don't want to mess up my multi-tool. Anyway, I don't want to mess up. I'm recording. Sweet. I don't want to mess up the actual switch for the dryer. Ow. Haha, I broke you. I broke you too, buddy. I don't care about you. There we go. See, I broke it. That made it come off. I also pinched my finger and scratched my poor little hand. Oh, it's got like a shape so you don't put it on wrong. Isn't that convenient? Ooh, snapped in real good. So the door closes, creates a connection. Okay, this does 2 things. The door tells the dryer the door is closed, so it's allowed to operate. And when it's open, it tells the light bulb in the back that it can be on. Light bulb hasn't worked for quite some time, so I'll be interested to see if this also fixes that, or if there needs to be a new bulb, which is way not important. I've been listening to 80s synthwave compilations on YouTube all day, and one of those was a mashup of The Weeknd's Blinding Lights. Not a mashup, I remixed, I guess. That was pretty good. Alright, I'm going to screw these back in. I'm not going to use my drill for this. I actually will get my screwdriver. Okay, I'm back with a screwdriver. I actually got my multi-tool, multi-pass set. I like this one because it's got this thing you can see here. So it's different lengths. It's ratcheting too. That's loosening. There we go. So the 2 screws. That's it. She's good to go. Except all the vacuuming I need to do now. BRB. So I'm not going to edit this video. You mean you've seen me skip around. That's just me pressing pause on the record button. So I'm telling you that because you're about to hear me vacuum. And I'm sure that's something you'll enjoy. Here we go. I'm going to close the door. attachments to the vacuum cleaner were, that would make this easier. I'm going to need a paper towel. Probably more than one paper towel. Ow, ow. Sheet metal's sharp. After this video, and I start a load of laundry, I'm gonna eat some food, take a shower, switch out the laundry, and go to bed. So I'll probably get to bed around 6:30 or 7. 6:30 or 7 is pretty early, but I've been really busy today. So I'd like to get an extra little bit of sleep so that I can get up for work tomorrow. And I get up for work at like 3, so there's that. Beautiful. Where are the screws? Are they on this behind the camera thing? Oh, there they are. So I'm gonna drop them down there. It's gonna be the worst thing ever. I don't want to do that. I don't want to drop them down there. The bit that I have on here is not magnetic at all. I know I'm notorious for messing this up. Dropping them. So nervous I'm going to drop it down there. That'll just ruin my day. Next time, I think, well, if there's a next time that I do this, or if you're watching this video and you're like, man, dropping those down there would suck. Just grab a sock or a rag or paper towels and just sort of clog it. That way it's fine. I'll tell you the Whirlpool model number on this here in a second. Look at that. That's great. So the thing would cut out rather intermittently. Like, I couldn't like test it right now and know for sure. It's got to go through a whole load and be done. There's a pile of stuff there. Can you see it? Yeah, that is baking soda, which I think fell over in between one of the pauses or something. Vacuum cleaner. That's coming on. Told you. And that is my video on replacing that switch. The dryer's been acting up for like 2 weeks, so this weekend we didn't even, this past week, it's like a week. Okay, look. This isn't even the kids' laundry. This is just mine and Sheena's. Looks like more than a week. Oh, because I just cleaned my room and there was a bunch of, I had clothes piled up in there, like dirty clothes. Like why didn't I have those in the laundry? And Sheena did too. So that's the end of the video. Judge me.